The farewell event at high school, or prom night, was one of the most anticipated events of our senior year. One of the moments that I will never forget was the farewell at high school. We spent weeks preparing for this special night, from choosing the perfect dress or suit to organizing the decoration for the venue. Many fun things happened. As the night approached, excitement filled the air, and we could feel a mix of emotion, happiness, nostalgia, and a touch of sadness. It was like a flashback about how we entered high school, how we built our close friendships, had fights between friends, and then reconciled. We used to skip classes together until online school was caused by COVID-19. This farewell event was actually quite sad because we, who had been a good friends and close to each other, had to part ways to continue our own lives. On the day of the event, we gathered at the school to take group photos, capturing memories that would last a lifetime. Additionally, half of our time together was lost due to COVID-19 virus, which made our high school years feel very short. However, this farewell event was very special because we could have fun again. Maybe not for the last time, but to close our high school years. The farewell event served as a reminder of how much we had grown, both academically and personally, during our high school years.